Opening iCloud app in Windows PC. Opening Apple's iCloud app in Windows PC. Get started. Entering email and password. Sign in. Verification failed. There was an error connecting to the Apple account server. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Here connected to Wi-Fi with good internet connection. OK. Solution 2. Set correct date and time in settings, manually or automatically. Try these two solutions. Now sign in. Now error fixed. Subscribe.